Have you ever wondered how Santa Claus spends his time in the North Pole when it's not Christmas Eve? Just think about it. When he's not dashing through the snow with his reindeer or sliding down chimneys with gifts, what does Santa do? Does he kick back with a cup of hot cocoa? Or perhaps, does he engage in a bit of homesteading, nurturing the North Pole in his own special way? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's unravel the mystery of Santa's homesteading lifestyle together. On the frosty expanse of the North Pole, Santa Claus leads a surprisingly homely lifestyle. Imagine a world where the air is always crisp, the snow is always fresh, and the scent of pine fills the air. This is the world of Santa Claus. But it's not all gifts and reindeer games. Santa's homesteading lifestyle is a blend of hard work, heartwarming chores, and simple pleasures. Each morning, Santa begins his day by tending to his faithful reindeer. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and the rest of the crew require care and attention. Santa ensures they are well fed, groomed, and ready to fly on Christmas Eve. He takes great pride in his reindeer, considering them as part of his family. Next, Santa moves on to his workshop, a place of magic and creativity. Here he works diligently on toys, ensuring each one is perfect and ready to bring joy to children around the world. The sound of his hearty laugh echoes through the workshop as he works, a testament to his love for his craft. But it's not all work and no play for Santa Claus. He also enjoys the simple pleasures of homesteading life. With Mrs. Claus by his side, he bakes cookies and prepares hot cocoa, their laughter filling the cozy kitchen. The scent of gingerbread cookies and the warmth from the oven make their home a haven in the midst of the icy landscape. Even dinner time is a charming affair. Santa, a seasoned fisherman, often catches fish from the icy waters nearby. As the sun sets, Santa and Mrs. Claus enjoy a quiet meal together, their conversations filled with laughter and stories from their many years at the North Pole. Santa's homesteading lifestyle may seem simple, but it's filled with magic and warmth. It's a life that's centered around love, care, and the joy of giving. And at the end of the day, when the toys are made, the reindeer are cared for, and the cookies are baked, Santa settles down by the fire, ready to do it all over again the next day. Indeed, Santa's life is filled with simple pleasures and heartwarming chores. But of course, Santa's homestead is not just any ordinary home. The magic that fills the air is as palpable as the scent of freshly baked gingerbread. Picture, if you will, an ever-burning fireplace that casts a warm, inviting glow across the room, never needing a log nor a match. Imagine a Christmas tree, towering and magnificent, which decorates itself with twinkling lights and shimmering baubles, changing its array of adornments every day. Then there's the kitchen, a marvel in itself. It sparkles with cleanliness as it takes care of its own tidying up, leaving Santa and Mrs. Claus free to enjoy their hot cocoa and cookies. But the real heart of the magic lies in the toy workshop. It's where dreams are crafted into reality, where every toy imaginable comes to life, ready to bring joy to children around the world. Santa's homestead, while cozy and quaint, is a place where magic comes to life. Santa Claus, the jolly old man we all know and love, leads a life that is as magical as it is homely. He manages to blend the extraordinary with the ordinary, making toys while tending to his reindeer. His homesteading activities are a testament to his hard work and dedication. They bring joy to children worldwide, and yet they are rooted in simple, everyday tasks. His North Pole homestead is an enchanting mix of magic and reality. And that, my friends, is the charmingly magical homesteading lifestyle of Santa Claus at the North Pole. If you liked this video, please leave a comment and subscribe. And as always, on to the next. Ho, ho, ho.